Hey everyone, my name is Rakesh and welcome to Zero to Cloud, your journey to becoming a Google Cloud engineer. In this series, we will go step by step through Google Cloud from creating a virtual machine, setting up networks, deploying Kubernetes cluster, managing storage, and even building a serverless apps using Google Cloud Run. The idea here is simple to help you learn Google Cloud the right way, not just theory, but actual hands on experience. By the end of this series, I want you to feel confident, confident enough to say, yes, I can build this on GCP myself. So why the most people struggle with cloud interviews? Now let's be honest for a second. Most people who start learning cloud, they watch tutorials, maybe read blogs, maybe even pass some certifications. But when they walk into interview and the interviewer asks, can you deploy a VM and attach a persistent disk? Or what firewall rule would you configure in a VPC? They freeze. Why? Because they have learned what cloud is, but never practiced how to use it. Interviews don't just test memory, they test your hands on experience. And that's the number one reason people fail. No real practice. So, this series is built to fix that gap so you don't just know Google Cloud, you can actually use it. So, learn Google Cloud the right way with hands on practice. So, here's how we will fix that. Every video in this series, we will cover one service at a time, but not just theory. We will get our hands dirty. You will actually build things, virtual machines, networks, and web apps. You will configure IAM permissions, deploy containers, and troubleshoot real world issues. We will go from foundational theory to hands on lab to interview readiness. And once you start building things yourself, that confidence naturally comes. You will not only understand the tools, you will also know why you are using them. So, so this is the roadmap of our cloud learning journey. So these are the seven core topics we will master together. The first one is compute engine, which creates and manage VMs, VPC and networking, subnet, firewall rule and routing, cloud storage, Kubernetes engine, cloud run, IAM and security, monitoring and logging. Each of this topic will have a real examples, labs, and practical demos. So by the end of you will know just you will not just know the term, but you will actually be able to build cloud solution from scratch. All right, that's the foundation. And now in the next video, we will jump right into compute engine and deploy our very first virtual machine on Google Cloud. So if you are ready to stop learning cloud the boring way and actually start building, hit that subscribe button and let's go from zero to cloud together. Thank you.